You're not overwhelmed because you're lazy. You're overwhelmed because you're doing too much manually. Emails, blog posts, graphics, sales pages, payment systems, customer support, growth, all at once. The real problem? You don't have a productivity issue. You have a systems issue. And the solution isn't building a team or paying for 20 different tools. It's choosing the right 5. Here, I'm going to show you 5 AI-powered tools that can run your entire digital business, from content creation to customer service, without code, without burnout, and without breaking your budget. If you're a solo creator or digital entrepreneur, this is the setup that will save you 20+ hours a week and let you grow without losing your mind. Let's start at the top, with content. Because if no one trusts you, no one buys from you. But content takes time, unless you automate it smartly. So this is where ChatGPT comes in. ChatGPT is a language model that helps you generate content fast. And I don't mean generic filler content. You can train it to write in your tone of voice, focus on your specific audience, and even structure the content the way you like. You're not just feeding it a topic and hoping for the best. You're giving it direction and letting it do the grunt work. Let's say you're creating an online course about productivity for freelancers. You can ask ChatGPT to help you outline a lead magnet, write 5 tweets to promote it, then write a landing page for your email sign-up form. You can even give it a rough idea and let it expand it into a polished blog post. It won't replace your voice, but it'll cut your writing time in half or more. The key to getting great results with ChatGPT is knowing how to prompt it. The more context you give, the better. Don't just say, write a blog post on productivity. Say, write a 700-word blog post for freelancers in their first year of business who are struggling to manage their time and juggle multiple clients. Then ask it to write in a friendly, practical tone and include 3 real-world tips. You'll get something way more useful. Learn to prompt well, and ChatGPT becomes like an assistant who works 24/7 and never runs out of ideas. If you're focused heavily on sales pages, email funnels, or Facebook ads, Jasper might be worth a look too. It's more focused on marketing content and has built-in frameworks for persuasion. But for flexibility, idea generation, and conversational content, ChatGPT is more than enough to run a solo business. Now, once you've got the words, you need the visuals. Whether you're creating a social post, a digital product mock-up, or an ebook cover, design matters, but not everyone's a designer. And that's where most people get stuck. They know what they want to say, but they don't know how to make it look good. This is where Canva comes in. This is one of the most accessible design tools out there. And Canva Pro takes it further with brand kits, content scheduling, premium templates, and design resizing that saves a ton of time. You don't need Photoshop. You don't need to hire a designer. You just need a clear goal and a willingness to learn the basics. Here's how to get the most out of Canva Pro. First, create a brand kit. Choose your colors, fonts, and logo, and save them so every piece of content you make stays consistent. That one move will instantly make your business look more professional. Next, use their template library. If you're making an Instagram carousel, don't start from scratch. Choose a layout you like, plug in your content, and tweak the visuals to match your brand. Let's say you're launching a mini course. You'll need a cover image, a lead magnet PDF, social graphics, maybe a short slide deck. You can do all of that in Canva. And if you want to go further, Canva now supports video editing and animations. You could even create video ads or reels from your blog content without touching a video editor. And here's a practical tip. Batch your design work. Don't just make one social post and log out. Sit down for 2 hours and create every asset you need for the next week. Canva Pro's content calendar and scheduler let you post directly to Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and more. So instead of jumping between apps, do it all in one sitting. Now, let's talk about the most underrated part of online business, email. Most people think social media is where the action is, but email is where the real relationships are built. Your email list is the only audience you truly own. Algorithms can change, platforms can shut down, but if someone's given you their email, you have direct access to them whenever you want. That's why Kit is such a powerful tool for solo creators. It's built to help you grow and manage your email list without making things complicated. You can set up a landing page, create a form, and start collecting emails today. And the best part is that you can automate everything. Someone signs up, they get a welcome sequence. If they click a certain link, they get tagged. If they don't open after a few days, you can resend or shift them into a different sequence. Let's say you run a free email course, 5 lessons, delivered over 5 days. You can build that in Kit in under an hour. And once it's live, it runs forever. You just drive traffic to the sign-up page, and Kit does the rest. You can also use it to sell your products directly, set up a broadcast for your launch, segment your list by behavior, track who's engaged and who's ready to buy. If your business is focused more on newsletters, Behive might be a better fit. It's clean, simple, and optimized for writing. It's especially good if your main product is the newsletter itself, like a paid subscription or curated digest. Behive also includes built-in referral programs, which can help you grow your list organically by rewarding your readers for sharing. Either platform works, works? The key is to start building your list early. Offer something genuinely useful, like a short guide, a checklist, or a mini course. Then show up consistently with value. The people on your list are the ones most likely to buy from you when the time is right. Speaking of buying, let's talk about sales. If you're selling a digital product, you need two things: a place to sell it and a way to deliver it automatically. You don't want to manually email download links or chase invoices. You want a storefront that does the hard parts for you. Gumroad is one of the easiest platforms for selling digital products. You create a product, upload your files, set your price, and get a link. Gumroad handles payments, taxes, and file delivery. Whether it's a Notion template, a PDF guide, or a video course, the buyer gets instant access and you don't need to touch a thing. Here's how to make the most of it. Create clear product titles and descriptions. Use mock-up images made in Canva. Add a short video preview if you can. And make sure your call to action is obvious. Gumroad also lets you add discount codes, offer pay-what-you-want pricing, and bundle products together. Use that flexibility to test what works best for your audience. If you're building something more advanced, like software licenses, recurring subscriptions, or gated memberships, Lemon Squeezy might be a better fit. It's designed for more technical products, but still keeps things simple. It includes tax compliance, invoicing, and customer email features built in. No matter which one you choose, the goal is the same. Automate your sales and delivery so you can spend your time on growth and value, not admin. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You need a product people want and a system that delivers it fast. Finally, let's talk about customer support. Even if your business runs smoothly, people will still have questions. Where's my download? Can I access this on mobile? What if I want a refund? If you're answering every email manually, you'll burn out. And worse, you'll lose trust if people don't hear back quickly. That's where AI-powered support tools like Tidio and Crisp come in. They let you set up live chat and chatbots that can handle common questions automatically. So while you're asleep or working on your next launch, your AI assistant is helping customers get what they need. Tidio's chatbot can be trained with your product FAQs. You can create flows like, "Where's my download?" or "How do I log in?" And the bot will guide users without you ever touching a keyboard. You can also route complex questions to your inbox, so you only deal with the messages that really need your time. Crisp AI takes it further with shared inboxes, knowledge base integration, and proactive messages. For example, if someone's stuck on your checkout page, it can automatically pop up and offer help. That means higher conversions and fewer abandoned carts. Whichever one you use, the idea is simple. Use automation to improve the customer experience. Fast answers make people happy, and happy customers stick around, buy again, and tell their friends. So let's zoom out. You've got ChatGPT for content, Canva Pro for design, Kit or Behive for email, Gumroad or Lemon Squeezy for sales, Tidio or Crisp AI for support. That's 5 functions, 5 tools. You can run the entire business on this stack, and you don't need to hire anyone. You just need to focus, commit, and start small. And here's one final tip. Don't try to set everything up at once. Start with one piece. Build a product, even a tiny one. Use ChatGPT to write your copy. Use Canva to design your visuals. Use Gumroad to sell it. Once that's live, then move on to email, then support. Keep it lean, keep it simple, and always ask, what can I automate? This is what running a smart digital business looks like now. You don't need to do more. You just need to do the right things with the right tools, and those tools already exist. Which of these tools are you thinking of trying out in your business? Are there any other tools that you would recommend? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.